How to create brand account on YouTube. Welcome to Glitz Sorcerer. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open up any web browser and head over to youtube.com. Once you're here, make sure to log into your account. Here, if you click on your profile icon, you're going to find your existing channel. Now, you want to scroll down and click on the settings option. Once you're on your settings under your YouTube channel, you have the option of create a new channel. Click in this option. The first step now is to create a new channel. For that, you will have to create a new name. Once you have typed in your name, you want to check this box. Now click on the option of create. You might have to verify your account for this. Once you have verified the account, your new channel will be created. After your new channel has been created, the next steps are very important, so do follow along. You have to click on the switch account option, and here you will be able to find two of your accounts. Here, make sure that you select your main account. If you select the new account, then all the videos in your main account will be permanently deleted. So for that, click on the main account option and then click on your profile icon again and select settings of your main account. Once you're here, click on view advanced settings option. Now here you have the option of move channel. Click on this option of move channel in a brand account. Once you click on this option, you will have to verify your account. For that, you will have to enter your password. Go ahead and do that. Now click on the option of next. Now on the next step, it is going to say that your YouTube channel is being moved. Scroll down and find the option of choose an account to move this channel to. Then you're going to find your newly created account. Click on the option of replace. When you click on it, it's going to say that the channel will be now deleted. By moving your channel, you will permanently delete this channel that's currently connected to the account. The following will also be deleted, including its videos, subscribers, likes, and other channel content, comments that you made on YouTube, your reply and thumbs up on the comments, your search and watch history, and also your gift settings. If you are fine with all of this, then you want to scroll down and click on the option of I understand and wish to proceed. Then click on the option of delete channel. Now you want to go through all of this and click on the move channel option. After you do that, it's going to say that your YouTube channel has been successfully moved. Now it may take up to 10 minutes for the updates to your account to be completed. And this is how you can create brand account on YouTube. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.